We're excited to announce the upcoming release of ReactorSim, an innovative suite of software solutions designed to transform the API manufacturing and pharmaceutical industries. With the recent discovery of N-nitrosamine impurities in pharmaceuticals, there is an urgent need for a more robust analysis of nitrosamine formation and its potential mutagenic and carcinogenic implications. ReactorSim, designed with your needs and feedback in mind, is poised to exceed your expectations, putting you at the forefront of nitrosamine risk assessment. Mark your calendars for June 13th, when we will launch an exciting video campaign highlighting ReactorSim's powerful capabilities. Here's a sneak peek at the feature-rich suite. Feature 1, Nitrosation. ReactorSim's Nitrosation module offers a quantitative assessment of N-nitrosamine and nitrosamide drug substance-related impurities in pharmaceuticals, providing a comprehensive understanding of potential nitrosation risks across the API and drug product manufacturing and storage processes. Feature 2, Nitrosating Agent Database of Commercial Pharmaceutical Excipients. We've meticulously compiled a robust database of commercial pharmaceutical excipients, with a special focus on nitrosating agents, to aid pharmaceutical companies in conducting exhaustive nitrosamine risk assessments. Feature 3, Exclusive Kinetic Mathematical Models for Nitrosation. We leverage advanced stoichiometric calculations and worst-case kinetic mathematical models to evaluate the formation of nitrosamine and nitrosamide impurities, ensuring accurate product yield analysis and a realistic appraisal of maximum impurity formation. Feature 4, Custom Kinetic Modeling. This service uses experimental validation to examine how nitrosamine and nitrosamide impurities form in pharmaceuticals. By creating a custom kinetic mathematical model from a client API, known impurity, or excipient sample, it simplifies decision-making and reduces risks. This eliminates the need for extensive analytical testing and control and the associated costs of complicated nitrosamine analytical standards. Feature 5, Ionization Pro, uses innovative graph neural network technology to precisely predict pKa values from molecular structures. These exact predictions serve as crucial parameters in kinetic mathematical models, thereby enhancing their capacity to simulate the formation of nitrosamine and nitrosamide impurities. Feature 6, AI Mollify. This cutting-edge artificial intelligence and image recognition technology provides a unique solution to regulatory compliance challenges by transforming images from various sources into editable molecular structures. Feature 7, Report. We furnish comprehensive evaluation reports of your drug product's safety, delivering reliable and precise results that could potentially reduce the requirement for confirmatory testing. Unlock the complexities of your production process and elevate safety with ReactorSim, your indispensable ally in managing process-related impurities and mitigating the formation of nitrosamine drug substance-related impurities. Ready to transform your operations? Set your reminders for June 13th and join us as we unveil the full potential of ReactorSim in our exclusive video advertisement. Discover how ReactorSim can drive your success and redefine your processes, but that's not all. To stay at the forefront of our exciting updates and industry trends, make sure you follow us on LinkedIn and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's connect, engage, and lead the industry's transformation together. We greatly appreciate your time and attention. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to engaging with you further. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from us.